Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a quick Mod Monday where we do a mod install or mod review in 5 minutes or less. Hey, we're going to jump right into this today, make it really quick. A couple days ago I actually finally posted the install video for the carmount.com dash mount. So when I first installed this mount on my dash, I have the dash version, not the vent version. One of the first things I noticed was the space on the dash that I was trying to fit it on was pretty small. And really after I installed it, I realized I might have a problem, not so much because of the actual mount itself, but the location that I was trying to put it in. Sure enough, that was the case. All right, so if you saw the other video, this is where I placed it originally. The idea was that the mount would stick out enough that I'd be able to keep my phone here, not covering the vent, not covering the radio, really only covering the buttons down here, which I wasn't as worried about. Usually I'm gonna start the car, then I'm gonna put my phone up there anyway. This just wasn't working. The mount didn't stick out far enough. It was hitting this ledge. It was making it so it didn't have a clean connection, and basically it was falling off all the time. So I tried to move it from here up to here with the goal of getting it to lift over the ledge. That didn't work either, so I ripped it off a second time, and then, if you can see, moved it up to right here. So it's got that little swivel. You can see this was a cleaner spot for it. And then basically that's the back. Get in the car, boom. That's the spot that I put it on, and ever since adding it there, it's worked great. We'll do a little bit of a driving test, just kind of up and down, just to kind of show you what I'm talking about, but it's holding really well. I've had it on there for several days now. One of the concerns I had was I ripped it off, put it back on, ripped it off a second time, which takes a little bit of work. You got to actually keep it pretty still as you're ripping it off, really trying to make sure to protect the dash. Not as much worried about the mount, but you do want to keep that contact and that sticky surface on the mount as much as possible. So I wondered, after removing it twice, is it going to stick a third time? I did just wash it off with just some cool water to make sure there wasn't anything on there. I was actually surprised it didn't leave any kind of a stickiness or residue on the dash. And then I did wash it off with water, put it on the spot that it's at now, and it's been on there for several days. It's been great. It looks like it's gonna have a strong hold to it, and I'm not gonna have any problems. So I'm actually super excited about how well it's working. So again, this is the carmount.com is where I got it from. Saw their ads on Instagram. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this out or if you got something else that seems to work for you. Also, just a shout out, if you haven't checked out my Instagram channel, it's dj.explores on Instagram. Go ahead and follow that, and don't forget to like this video if you've liked it, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. All right, peace out.